Today in this video, I'm gonna explain Honor 9 Hard Reset Lost Password. Turn off the Honor 9 by using the power key. Press and hold the volume up plus power button simultaneously for a few seconds. Release both buttons once the Huawei logo appears on the screen. Navigate using the volume buttons and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset option. Confirm the selection by pressing the power button. Repeat the process by selecting Wipe Data or Factory Reset again and confirming with the power button. Choose Reboot System Now option and confirm with the power button. The reset process will be completed when the Huawei Welcome panel appears. Wait for a few seconds for the hard reset operation to finish. After the reset is complete, your phone will be back to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.